I'm gonna show you the proper way to attach a handle to a mug. The first thing we're gonna do is pull the handles. The most important part about attaching handles is making sure the handles are leather hard, which is why I pull my handles before I go and trim my mug. I'm gonna show you how I pull handles, and it's not the traditional way. The first thing I do is grab my bag of clay. I plop it on the side, and then I take a rolling pin and I flatten it out. This is where the magic happens. These are handle tools. I got these off of Amazon, probably like $15. They're linked in my Amazon storefront, but these make handles so easy. This one's my favorite. Then I take this and I just glide it along the clay block, all the way. Then I pick it up and I form it into a handle like this, and I lay it out to dry. If you were to try to attach this handle right now, you would get your fingerprints in it, you would distort the handle, and it just wouldn't look good. As you can see, you can't see any finger marks of me attaching this handle because it was at the proper leather hard stage when I attached it. Same for this one. Now I'm gonna do a couple of these so that I have options, or in case some of them break or I want different shapes, because you can never have too many. Now I'll let these sit for 30 to 60 minutes while I trim my mug. All right, I'm back with my trimmed mug, and now we're going to attach the handle. Now my handles are leather hard, so they kind of hold their form pretty well. I'm gonna take this blade and cut off a flat piece on each end. Now she's ready to attach to the mug. Now it's time to slip and score. So I'm gonna make a little bit of a mark where I'm gonna score on each part where the handle connects. I'll set that here. And then I score directly on the mug, as well as directly on the handle. Then I take slip. This is just water and clay. I take my finger and I apply a very generous amount to the places where I scored. Next, take the handle and push it into place. Now this is gonna be pretty easy if the handle is dry enough. If it's wet, it'll wanna warp its shape, but if it's dry, it should stick on like this. You're letting the slip work as glue. You're not trying to mold the handle into the mug. Now I just take my fingers and swipe away the excess slip. And now you've painlessly attached a handle to a mug. Now I cover this in plastic and let it dry slowly to avoid cracking. If you want more pottery tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel.